Billy the Artist here, and I want to just encourage you in how to draw. And if you check out, these are some of my previous videos in my how to draw playlist. There are well over 90 videos for you to learn with loads and loads of different characters. But like I say, here we have Danger Mouse from CBBC. We also have Olaf from Frozen. And we have Shaun the sheep from Aardman Animation. And these how to draw videos, you can find the links in my how to draw playlist, but the links for these videos are in the description as well, so you can get to the individual videos directly. And if you check these out, these will help you, because I learned to draw by drawing cartoon characters, and the techniques that I use on these and all the others. So like I say, there's lots. There's how to draw characters from Disney, not Disney Pixar, from The Secret Life of Pets. We also have, using nice cheap felt tip pens, we have how to draw Pokemon characters. So we got Pikachu, Jigglypuff and Dragonite. And we do have Disney Pixar. We have a load from Inside Out. So we got joy, anger, disgust, fear and sadness. So there's fear. And lurking at the back, oh gosh, she is sad, she can't come out. There she is, there's sadness. But again, these are all in my how to draw playlist. There's also lots of other characters, some of the Lego characters. There is also Woody and Buzz and Jessie and others, Rex the dinosaur, Ham the pig from Toy Story. So there's loads. But I learned to draw as a child, well over 40 years ago. That's a long time. But I learned to draw, and it encouraged me and got me into doing it as a job. But again, if you check out my portraits time lapse, the link's in the cards, you'll see time lapses of these drawings. This is Jenna Coleman, who was Clara Oswald in BBC's Doctor Who, and this is Cheryl the singer when she was pregnant with her baby boy Bear. And again, if you check out those, this is more than a day's work. That was about a day's drawing. You can see what you can do with a pencil. Now, a couple of others that are on there are Doctor Who, Peter Capaldi, and the singer Ed Sheeran. And again, I just did these for fun to show you what you can do with a pencil. Now, they were very long, but just as long as these take about 20 minutes to half an hour. And there is this one. This is a comedian named Bill Bailey. And I went to see this comedian, and this was the flyer that we came out with. I thought, oh, that'll make quite a nice drawing, just as a warm-up sketch. And you can see this in real time in the How to Draw playlist as well, in less than 25 minutes. So again, there's lots to encourage you to develop your art and have fun. So do check out any of these videos. In the most recent lot, we have from Early Man, we have Doug, we have Hognob, we have Gooner, and we have the Evil Lord Nuth. So these are all videos that can encourage you into your drawing to develop your skills. So please do like and subscribe, because I've got a lot more how to draw videos coming this year to encourage you in your artistic journey. But also, if you are into art, you may or you may know someone who is into music. So please do check out through the links in the cards and in the description my wife's channel, Sharon Bill. She's a music tutor. She's been teaching beginners up to advanced level in piano and music theory for over 25 years, and she's got a lot of videos to help you from beginner right the way through. So she can help you with some of your piano, your scales and arpeggios and broken chords and all those kind of things, but she can take you from the very beginnings of music theory right the way through. She's got grades 1 to 5 on her YouTube channel and on her website at sharonbill.com. There are accompanying PDFs in US letter and A4 that you can download for free that accompany the entire YouTube series for any of the grades that she's got online. And she's adding videos daily. So again, do like and subscribe to Sharon's if you're into music, but do like and subscribe to my channel if you want to further your drawings. But do check out my How to Draw playlist. Again, there's over 90 videos for you to be busy with pencils and crayons and felt tips. But anyway, thanks very much, take care, and see you soon with your drawings. Ta-da.